Hi, everybody. It's Tereese. I'm back with a hashtag Color and Create with Us, You Rock Art, hosted by Rosemary at Rosemary's You Rock Art channel. Um, as you can see, I have a lot of catching up to do in my book. I just haven't been up to crafting lately, although I did craft my St. Patrick's Day cards. And if you follow me on Instagram, you probably have seen them. They are these little, this digital that I got for free. Um, and it's gorgeous. And I used um, the paper. I had it. Here's the paper, the digital background paper. It's so pretty. Anyway, um, so I have been crafting a little bit, but in this book, I have not been coloring until now. And I do want to come and share that page with you all. Where is it? Oh, okay. So this week's page is this adorable little bitty sloth. And I used my color pencils as I have always colored in this book. Maybe I'll get brave enough and use color pens or markers. Not my Copics because it would just soak up all the ink. But anyway, um, so I finally sat down today. I had some free time and I colored. And I have to tell you, it was wonderful. It was very relaxing, and I need to finish the other pages. And I've already so I haven't done this one. I'll show you. I'll be honest. It's been weeks since I've colored. I haven't done this one. And I haven't done this one. And, there's a couple more. This is next week's page. I've already marked it up. Oh gosh, my autofocus is not focusing. Okay, let's try it again. Let's see if it will focus. No. Okay, it's focused. Okay, so this is next week's page that Rosemary has picked for us. And I haven't done this one. This one looks like a lot of fun. Gosh, what is wrong with my focus? Let me see if I can. Oh my gosh, that's terrible. Sorry. Ah, that's terrible. Okay, let me zoom in. Okay. So I'll be back. Maybe I'll do a couple pages at a time and try and catch up. I'm not sure, but I did color this page for this week, so I'm really happy about this little guy. He's adorable. So I want to thank everybody for even watching my videos. I know I have not been on. I haven't even crafted Deck the Year. I am so behind on that collaboration as well. Um, Hopefully I'll get back into it. It's been a couple months for me. And yeah, so pray for me, guys, to get back into the swing of things because I need to get back into crafting. It is where I can come and relax and revitalize my soul because I've been drained. I have been drained, and I need to replenish the relaxation and the joy that I have when I do craft. So I want to thank everybody for watching. Have a great week, and I might see you Thursday. I might not, but I hope to be on more often soon. So thanks, everyone. Have a great week. Bye now.